All right, so I just PR'd my 10K, 5K, and 1 mile in the same run, testing out my new shoes. And when I got back, BPN came in clutch. Excited to open this and get some more electrolytes. Let's see what else I got. Nicely packaged. All right, favorite electrolytes on the market, salted watermelon. If you haven't tried them, try it, it's so good. Also got these for on the go. I've had these once before, peanut butter crunch fueled bars. So tasty and really natural ingredients. And then all of my vitamins, omega-3s, multivitamin, and strong joints.